We have the smaller Volvo here. The owner tried WD-40 and off bug spray and permanently damaged his headlights. Yes, we made them look a lot better, but the lights have permanent damage because he used the WD-40 and the off bug spray. Do not look how bad this is. Do not use those YouTube quick fixes. That works for about 24 hours, and then after that it just eats away at your headlights. It's no good. It melts the plastic polycarbonate. So these are a mess, obviously, and we made it look 100% better, but it's not perfect because there's permanent damage now to the headlights. I mean, these look great. Okay, perfect? No, because they're beyond damage and there's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, but looks great. Broward County, 754-302-0769. Call us.